Okay, so how to use XLOOKUP using Excel. So now we need to use the new version of, instead of lookup, we need to use XLOOKUP, no? That is the VLOOKUP, and now that is the XLOOKUP. So I have an example, that is the product name, quantity, the price, and the product code. So there is the product code. So let's start. So for the product name, lagay natin dito. For example, hanapin natin si mouse. Okay, si mouse. Then now we need to find the quantity of the mouse. Okay, so based on the day's data. So we need to find the quantity. So first, we need to input equal sign on your Excel. After that, so you need to type XLOOKUP. Okay, by the way, yung XLOOKUP that is a latest Microsoft Excel. So kung old pa yung ginagamit nyo, Microsoft 16, so hindi po siya applicable. So you need to use the latest Microsoft Excel. Kaya may XLOOKUP na siya. Okay, so after typing a XLOOKUP, so we need to click the mouse kasi si mouse yung gustong hanapin natin na product. Okay, click mouse, then comma. After comma, you need to highlight all the product name. Okay, highlight this product name. Okay, after highlighting the product name, so we need to put comma again. So after putting a comma, next we need to highlight the quantity. Okay, kasi quantity man yung hahanapin natin dito. So highlight the quantity starting from this one, from the item number 1 to the last item. Okay, so kung highlight na natin siya, so we need to put close parenthesis and enter. Okay, so meaning si quantity of the mouse is 91. Now we need to get the price of the mouse. Okay, so the same process lang, equal sign, input equal sign, type XLOOKUP, double click lang natin to, then we need to click the mouse, comma, then we need to highlight the product name. Okay, then put again comma. Next, kasi si price man yung hanapin natin, so we need to highlight all the price. Okay, and close parenthesis, enter. So meaning yung price ni mouse, which is 220. Now let's find with the product code, kasi dapat may product code. Example, you are selling the product, so you need to look the quantity, then the price, and also the code, no? Okay, you need to type again the input equal sign, then type XLOOKUP again. Okay, double click lang, then same process lang siya. So click the mouse, comma, then you need to highlight the product name. Okay, from the product number 1 to the last. Okay, after that, so we need to put comma. Then next is, ang hahanapin natin dito is si product code, so we need to highlight the product code, the list 1. So pwede nyo i-highlight nyo pababa, then close parenthesis. Okay, so meaning yung output ni mouse, okay, that is the quantity is 91, the price is 220, and the product code is 809634. So, tingnan natin kung accurate ba yung ibinigay ni XLOOKUP, no? Okay, so yung mouse. Okay, ito si mouse. So, meaning DR91, correct lang siya. So, DR220, correct lang siya. So, 80, 96, 34. So, meaning correct lang siya. Okay, so meaning ito yung XLOOKUP, no? Iba yun si lookup, and ito naman si XLOOKUP. So, and I hope may natutunan kayo for the XLOOKUP, no? Okay, kung magta-type kayo ng ibang mga products, example, hanapin natin, gusto nyo hanapin si glue stick. Okay, so glue stick meaning there are 100 glue sticks, no? So, for the quantity, and also 18 in the price, and 4,590 yung product. So, yun lang, and I hope may natutunan kayo. God bless.